Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hello and welcome back to my channel hashtags with Vichel, and in this video we'll be creating an origami model of a rat, mouse, rat, mouse. Let's get started. So guys, this is how the final model of rat looks like. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. For this you'll need a square piece of paper. It can be of any color, any material. Let's start. So first you need to fold from this corner to this corner along diagonal axis. Now there should be two flaps, so pick one and fold it like this. Mark the edges properly. Now you open it again and fold it this way, this side the same way. Open it back, so you'll see this X crease is formed here. So now from this corner you fold it till this intersection, and also from this corner you fold it till this intersection, and slowly make a triangle over here, something like this. Fold it on either sides. This is how it looks. Similarly, we need to do it on the other side of the page. So first we'll fold it like this, considering the corners and edges properly. Open it back and we fold it on this side. Now again we repeat the same steps. You fold it from one side till the intersection. You fold it from the other side till the intersection, and you make a triangle in the center. This is how it looks. You get two triangles and a rhombus shape, a kite shape structure. Now rotate your page. From this point, this top corner, you fold it slightly more than this horizontal axis over here. Slightly more, something like this. Now you fold from this point, you fold it like this, and this should touch the center of this kite structure. Similarly on the other side, press it tightly, and now you fold this entire thing like this. Press it properly so that it retains the shape. Now hold this one flap and fold it like this. And keep it in this fashion. Similarly on other side, pick this other flap and fold it like this. These are the ears of the rat. Now this this vertical line should turn to horizontal. So you need to fold it something like this. Similarly, this vertical line, vertical flap which is coming out, this you need to fold it to form the horizontal line. Now till this point you need to turn this horizontal line into vertical, so we fold it downwards. Open it back, you get a crease. You do repeat the same steps on the opposite side so that you get a firm crease, and then you open this and fold this inwards. So initially it was a horizontal line and now it turns into a vertical one. Now this vertical line you need to turn it into horizontal back again with another fold, something like this. You can put slightly above this horizontal line, just put slightly above this horizontal line so that the tail looks good. Alright, now you have two flaps here, so pick one and fold this inwards. Fold this like this inwards till the end point. Press it properly. Similarly, you do it on this side till the end point. You fold it and press it properly. This is how the tail looks. Now for the ears, you you have this fold already. You open it back and press your finger and open this flap and press it slightly like this. Similarly, on this side, you open this, press your finger and press it gently so that you get this opening on both the sides. Alright, so a final touch, get this marker and create a line cover this portion properly with black, also on the top side. You can do it on both the sides, but for now I'm doing it only on one side. And this is the final rat model. So guys, I hope your rat is ready to eat all the laddus and modaks at your Ganesh Utsav this year. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.